Menus are one of the main ways people will navigate your WordPress site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress. Now, if you've seen any of my previous WordPress videos, you may notice that the site looks different. My demo site here, that's because I switched themes. So right now, the site doesn't have any menus at all on it. So let's fix that. Let's put a menu up here at the top. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, and then under Appearance is Menus. So let's go ahead and create a menu. So I'm going to call it Header Menu. And let's look at my pages here. First of all, we got to pick the primary position and create the menu. And then let's look at our pages. We'll view all of them. So which of these do I want to add to my menu? I'm going to add Home, Privacy Policy, Contact Us. I'm not going to add this sample page that WordPress created because that's not a real page I want to keep. So we'll add those to our menu. So here's now what's on our menu. Let's go ahead and save that. And now let's go look at the site. And you'll see up here is the menu I created. Now Home is kind of optional because if you click over here, well, depending on your theme, some themes will make this over here clickable to your home page. But since this doesn't, it's probably just as well I put that in there. Now, there's three main areas of your page that WordPress can put menus. Up in the header, the top menu like I just did here, in a sidebar, and in the footer. Now, exactly where you can put your menus depends on your theme. There's something called a menu location that your theme needs to have in a particular place for you to be able to put a menu there. So that's something else to consider when you're looking at a theme. So let's go over here to Customize. And this will show us our theme, and I want to take a look at the menus. And notice this theme can display menus in two locations, primary and secondary. Now we already set the primary one. So we're going to go ahead and make a secondary menu. Now it does say create new menu here. I'm going to go back to the regular menu area, and I'm going to put, instead of those things, I'm going to use categories. So I'm going to select all of them except for uncategorized, and I'm going to add those to this menu. So now I have a new menu called Footer Menu that has these categories on it. It's set up as the secondary menu, so let's go ahead and save that. And now let's go take a look and see if that affected how the site looks. And so now we still have our header menu up here. And down in the footer, now we have this other menu with the categories. So think about what navigation you want your WordPress site to have, where you want the menus to be, what you want to be on the menus, and make sure you keep that in mind when you choose a theme. Now, like I said, another place that's common to put menus is in the sidebars. I'm not going to show you this in this video because it's the same concept. You need to have a menu. You need to choose a theme that has a sidebar menu position, and then just do what I already showed you. So that's how you add a menu to your WordPress site. Watch for my other WordPress tutorial videos.